I'm Dr. Paul, and the topic for today, how to maximize the amount of money you get for school. Woohoo! Bring in my opening. Okay, here's how it works. You can maximize the amount of money that you get for school. How? Think about it. There are numerous ways that you can make yourself unique, and the more unique characteristics you can find in yourself, the more avenues that you can find for academic funding. Like, are your parents divorced? Are you an only child? How tall are you? How short are you? Where are you from? Where are your parents from? Where have you worked? What activities do you participate in? All of these things make you unique, and unique characteristics bring in money. But you've got to make that decision. Can you get money for school? The answer is yes, but you have to set yourself up as unique. What happens is, when you start to find those unique characteristics, you start looking for schools that are looking for people like you. Not just like you, people like you who have your unique characteristics, and they want to fill that quota with your unique characteristics. There are numerous students out there that have not done that. But understand, last year there were millions of dollars that went unused because students did not make access to the resources. Students never went and applied for scholarship funding. Students never maximized the amount of money they could receive towards their education. But you're not going to do that. You know better. So from this point forward, look at your unique characteristics, itemize them, look for funding accordingly. We can help you. Click the link below. Make contact with us. I'm Dr. Paul, and until next time, much success.